For quite a while now, open spaces in my constituency have been challenged by persons using them as dump sites where garbage is disposed of, sometimes by residents, but also by persons from outside the community, including business people who come and dump large amounts of garbage. It causes no end of problems. Fires when people light the garbage, producing toxic smoke, rats and other vermin. It's unsightly, it smells horrible. The Solid Waste Management Authority has not been able to manage this problem, even though we work closely with them to try to do so. I have decided to implement a system of wardens, persons drawn from the community who will have the responsibility to maintain those dump sites in a clean condition. We worked with the Solid Waste Management Authority, got them to do an initial cleanup of those sites, and then we've deployed the wardens to monitor them on a daily basis. If garbage is left there, to put that garbage into disposable bags or in drums so they can be collected by the National Solid Waste Management Authority on a regular basis. So here we are on Asquith Street, to the southern side of Jonestown. This is really the worst of the dump sites that we had. It was a nightmare. This road was often actually covered in garbage so that there was only single lane passing on this road. And as you can see, we've put rubber tires to kind of show that it's a monitored area, it's a managed area, and the garbage has been kept out of the area. And you know, I'm very pleased to see how it's being maintained. The program has just started recently, but is already very much appreciated by residents because these unsightly areas, which have really been a horrible blot on the communities, are no longer that way, and people are seeing that we can manage our environment and we can also manage our solid waste and garbage in a way that preserves the dignity of residents and helps to make the community a better place to live in.